Bonjour, bienvenue dans ma nouvelle vidéo, j'espère que vous allez bien. Vous l'aurez compris, à ma tenue, c'est une routine du soir. Donc je vais tester avec vous un produit naturel pour terminer de nettoyer, donc le plan de travail, la table, les chaises, la plaque à induction. Donc nous allons faire la recette ensemble et voir si c'est vraiment efficace. Pour commencer correctement cette vidéo, je vais déjà terminer la vaisselle et ranger ce qui traîne.
Up on the floor, made it clap when you seen cats pass through the door. I ain't tryna act gas at all. Chicks attack like geese, Joe crack the balls. Play the back cause I be so paranoid. I gotta wipe it, baby, please don't back it off. She understood that. Said what's good, crack. Got me screaming with a hood rat. Mommy, I ain't gotta pot the piston, but the rocks gotta gleam so hard to miss him. So I cut the chase, took her out the place, put her in a phantom, smile in her face. She don't know Joe crack the dawn. Never spent no type of real cheese on the broad. All I keep is 100 G's, limit credit card. Made you believe we can spend it all. Talk to him. I think you need to move it to the left. Shout. Move it to the left. Shout. If you ain't got your own paper, I don't suggest you hold your breath. Shout. Keep it right. Shout. You better keep it tight. Shout. You better bring money out your crib cause you be getting into mine tonight. Shout. I think you need to move it to the left. Shout. Move it to the left. Shout. If you ain't got your own paper, I don't suggest you hold your breath. Shout. Keep it right. Shout. You better keep it tight. Shout. You better bring money out your crib cause you be getting into mine tonight. Shout. New York, put it on the floor. New York, put it on the floor. What? Come on. Cali, put it on the floor. Cali, put it on the floor. Love don't cost a thing. Miami, put it on the floor. Miami, put it on the floor. New York, put it on the floor. New York, put it on the floor. What?
Watch how the women start sniffing around when we be ripping it down. We got them sticking around. The way they love the kid like I'm the king of the town. The way my money stacks stupid, got them flipping around. I got them digging the
I
sound.
know you look finger licking, hey baby girl. I don't use my dough for tricking no chicken. Listen, good food, shorty fat, and my tummy you could go and I. My slacks don't touch my money. Even though you looking good and it was nice to meet you, you be lucky if you even get a slice of pizza from me. Before you ever try to touch my money clip, I put you on the corner walking up and down a money strip. Honey dip, better find another dummy quick, homie.
Donc pour la recette du produit naturel, je vais avoir besoin d'un récipient, de 4 cuillères à soupe de savon noir, de 6 cuillères à soupe de vinaigre, de quelques gouttes d'huile essentielle de citron et le reste sera complété avec de l'eau chaude.
Tryna stuff, better jump inside of money with. Let's see what you can get. And keep it over there, you better try your luck cause you ain't getting nothing over here. You need to move it to the left. Shout. Move it to the left. Shout. If you ain't got your own paper, I don't suggest you hold your breath. Shout. Keep it right. Shout. You better keep it tight. Shout. You better bring money out your crib cause you ain't getting into mine tonight. Shout.
Show that you gon' work for this little bit of change. Side order, pimpin', little bit of gain. You know gon' hurt, just a little bit of pain. When I rip your skirt from your little bitty frame. Valet, alligator, Air Forces. Waves in my head, had them chicks getting nauseous. Let them cost a thing, my dough, your world. So shake it like you're nasty, girl.
I think you need to move it to the left. Shout. Move it to the left. Shout. If you ain't got your own paper, I don't suggest you hold your breath. Shout. Keep it right. Shout. You better keep it tight. Shout. You better bring money out your crib cause you be getting into mine tonight. Shout. You need to move it to the left. Shout. Move it to the left. Shout. If you ain't got your own paper, I don't suggest you hold your breath. Shout. Keep it right. Shout. You better keep it tight. Shout. You better bring money out your crib cause you be getting into mine tonight. Shout.
Donc le mélange est prêt, il ne nous reste plus qu'à le tester. Je vais commencer par la table, ensuite le plan de travail et la plaque à induction.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Fly Priscilla out to Savannah. Don't mesmerize by that ass. The wounds that I can tell that she loves me. The wounds knows it, I can sip on some bubbly. Surround a bit and sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions, pick. Roll, strange new addictions, pick. Roll, strange new addictions, pick. Up, roll, shaping, change, oh, make me feel so primal and that's what I am. That's what I am. Make me feel so primal and just a minute. Just a minute. Take that pussy dick, like that. 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 Pussy dick, like
Je viens de terminer d'utiliser le produit sur les différentes surfaces, donc je dois dire que je trouve vraiment cela très efficace. Il y a juste un tout petit bémol concernant la plaque induction, donc la plaque est très propre, mais par contre elle n'a pas ce rendu miroir que je peux retrouver avec des marques comme celle du Dr Beckmann ou Vitroclean. Après, donc c'est concernant mon spray, j'ai acheté un spray vraiment pas cher chez Jiffy, donc c'est vrai que ça coule un petit peu au niveau des mains, mais ça c'est qu'au niveau du spray, donc à moi d'en trouver un de meilleure qualité. Et si ça vous dit de me suivre pour le reste de ma routine du soir.